Every true conquest begins with a limit that refuses to yield. A silence imposed by the tool, never by talent. There are those who create and watch the flow break mid-thought. Those who push visual fidelity to the edge and feel the hardware pull back. Those who render, train, and simulate only to discover that the time lost was never a lack of effort, it was a lack of power. But there is a moment when everything changes. Imagine the scene answering in the same instant the intention is formed. Imagine full ray tracing without hesitation. Imagine artificial intelligence and frame generation working as an extension of thought itself. Imagine technology ceasing to be an obstacle and becoming continuity. That is the moment the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7 OC Edition enters. It's 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory running at 30 gigabits per second, sustain dense textures, complex assets, and simultaneous workloads without ever becoming the weak point. Its 10,752 CUDA cores and Blackwell architecture deliver the force required for path tracing to stop being a privilege and become the standard. Its 1801 AITOPs turn DLSS 4 into a practical instrument of fluidity, not a distant promise. These numbers impress, but they are not what matters. What matters is uninterrupted flow. The time no longer consumed by weighing. The complete absence of hesitation when the scene demands everything. The quiet certainty that the hardware finally matches ambition. For the creator who needs absolute predictability in every frame. For the gamer who refuses any compromise between fidelity and fluidity. For the visualization professional who treats every second of processing as a critical resource. For those who run local AI models and demand real bandwidth. For those who build high-performance systems and accept no point of failure. Technology does not exist to replace talent. It exists to liberate it. Some buy a graphics card. Some invest in specifications. But there are those who understand that the real value lies in time recovered, in the freedom to create without restriction, and in the possibility of going beyond what previous hardware allowed. This is not a technical choice, it is a decision of level. The choice to place in the hands of the one who uses it the power to turn potential into concrete and irreversible results. The ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7 OC Edition does not define what you can do, it removes what still prevented you from doing it. Affiliate disclosure. This content contains an affiliate link. We may earn a commission from purchases made through it at no additional cost to you.